guys, in front of me is Motorola Razr 2025, and let me show you how to check the screen time on this device. So, at first enroll the settings. Then from main settings list, select digital well-being and parental controls. And here you've got kind of basic statistics, kind of sum up. If you'll tap in the middle of the screen again, you can get a bit more knowledge. You can get statistics for each app. You can check it daily or hourly. Then you can check not only screen time, but also notifications received or times open. So this is it. Just check it and keep an eye on time spent on screen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.